Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be taming this head by doing a quick weave blunt cut bob. So today we will need a comb, any comb of your preference. We will also be needing the shield protector, which will help protect your hair from the glue. You're going to put this on the cap. This is really helpful. It also helps when you take the quick weave out as well. Of course, we are going to need a stocking cap. You can get that from your local beauty supply, as well as our hair glue. You can also get that from your local beauty supply store. I purchased my favorite Remy Saga. I always purchase this hair. Anytime I do a quick weave, I don't think you should use bundles when you're doing a quick weave because you're putting glue on the webs. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing that I want to do is make sure I have my oil next to me. I like to use wild growth. I like to make sure that my hair is oiled as I braid my hair. I'm going to braid my hair in 4 braids. You do not have to necessarily braid your hair into 4 braids. You can do 2 braids. You can slick your hair back in a ponytail, or you can do more braids if you prefer, but this is quick and easy for me. So the next step you want to do is apply your shield protector on your cap. This protects your hair from the glue from being in your hair. It is not good when glue gets stuck in your hair because it is so difficult to take it out. So you want to make sure you apply this all throughout the cap. Now this was a little messy for me. I think I spilled it a little bit. So you want to be careful and really take your time when applying this. So after you have applied the shield, and make sure it's nice and dry. You want to then go ahead and get your tracks. I personally like to measure my tracks as I glue them in. I do not recommend that you try to double up your tracks unless you have someone helping you. I like to do mine track by track because it's better for me, and it's neater for me. So you also want to be very careful when applying the glue on the tracks as well, especially if this is your first time doing this. So go ahead and make sure you just take your time, okay? So we are pretty much halfway through the gluing process. I went ahead and I took I want to say that's concealer. I took a little concealer and I made like this oval shape to help guide me because I will be cutting my hair in a bang. And I also went ahead and created my closures because I do not have any of my hair out. I like to do this because I like to use it as a guide, and it helps me to not make my bangs so thick. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to glue the tracks on, and then you'll be able to see. Alrighty, so we are all glued in. Everything looks nice. So I'm getting ready to cut my bangs. So anytime I cut my bangs, I always try to make sure that I place my finger towards the end of my eyebrow. That way, because I just like for my bangs to just fall at the shape of my eyebrows. So I'll just take me some scissors. These aren't like shears or any expensive scissors or anything. These are from my local beauty supply store, and I just went ahead and cut my bangs. So I do recommend that when you cut your bangs, you do not actually cut your bangs to the length that you want. You kind of want to work your way to the length that you want. So I recommend that you cut your bangs a little longer over your face, and then you go back and you make adjustments and you cut them just to make sure everything is even. Alrighty, so we're almost finished. So I went ahead and I just cut my hair into the blunt cut shape that I desired. It was a little hard for me to record and cut my hair at the same time. So I just went back and just made a few adjustments. This cut is everything. I'm very proud of myself, okay? I'm giving like Egyptian vibes right now, but I am getting ready to go ahead and flat iron my hair. The shape is everything. I did cut my hair by myself. It's not too hard, but I do want to go ahead and get prepared to flat iron my hair. Alrighty, so I am just going in, flat ironing some of those pieces. It's coming along very well. So I was trying to decide if I was going to leave my hair blunt cut straight or give it that little bump. I love me a good little bump. I feel like it's really classy. So I'm gonna go and flat iron the other side of my hair. But if you prefer the straight blunt cut straight, then I would say go for it. But this time we're just gonna put a little bump to the bob. I really like it. So just stay tuned for the finished product. So you guys, here is the finished product. I absolutely love my hair. I feel like this is the exact look that I was going for, and I feel like if you want to achieve this look, you can do it too. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please come back. Stay tuned for the next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Thanks for watching.